Hey, what's going on, guys? So right now we're gonna try to remove this Tiger side steps from Toyota Tacoma and put it onto that one, actually, the 2021 Toyota Tacoma. So for that, we're gonna need impact gun and 13 millimeter socket, and we should be good to go. Let me show you guys where the bolts are that need to be removed. So this is that's the front of the truck. So there are two bolts here, right in the front of the passenger side up front door. The next one is in the middle, in between the doors, and then that's the last two at the back of the cabin. All right, so we're gonna remove those bolts. Stay tuned. As you can see, guys, we just removed passenger side steps. And here are the steps. Just remove them, just like I said. So 6 bolts altogether. Easy peasy as long as you have that impact gun and proper socket. It didn't even take actually more than 2 minutes. So now we're going to be doing the same thing on the other side, on the driver's side. And then we're going to be installing those steps onto that one. Alright, guys, so now I'm actually underneath the 2021 Tacoma. So we're going to be removing these plastic plugs. To remove those, you're just going to need a like a flathead screwdriver or something flat that you can kind of unscrew them. So this is the driver's side, and this is the front of the truck. This side is the front. So, and this is the driver's side. So those two, then these two. This is the middle of the cab, still on the driver's side, and this, and lastly those two. So altogether 6, and that's back of the truck on the driver's side. So we're gonna remove those. We're gonna remove these plastic screws, and then we're gonna start bolting the side steps using the same hardware that we just took off from 2017 Tacoma. All right, stay tuned. All right, so as you can see, we just finished installing one side. This is driver's side. So after tying up those bolts with impact gun, it's good to go. So I can demonstrate it. There you go. And that's how you install it, basically. So I'm gonna do the other side now, and it's easy peasy. Like I said, as long as you have proper tools, it's a lifesaver. I mean, proper tools make your job much easier and saves you time and energy and everything. So let's get to the other side, and then once we finish installing that side, I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we just aligned the one step, and then just put the bolts in manually. I didn't use the impact yet, so I haven't actually started tying them up yet. I wanted to first do my hands, just because I wanted to make sure the threads go in, and I mean the bolts go into thread without any issues, and everything aligns correctly. So now I'm gonna use the impact gun to actually tighten them up. Alrighty, so it's done. Just like the other side, we attached those. So basically, screwed in the bolts on the same holes, basically just like on the other side, and basically it's done. So as you can see, looks just like the other side, and actually you can adjust the length or you know the distance how you want to set up, like you know further or close to the cabin or further out a little bit. So but in my case I pushed it as far as I can to inside. I think it's like it gives you about a quarter inch of wiggle room. You can adjust, you know, stick out a little more or push it all the way in. So I pushed it all the way in, and this is how it looks. Some people like them, some people don't. The main reason I have these steps on actually because I got kids, so and they actually do use these steps, so it makes it easier for them to get in and out from the truck. So and yeah, they do, you know, they do actually have functions. So I mean, we actually do use them, and as you can see, it doesn't look too bad actually on the truck. And here's the other side. All right, guys. So this will be it for this video. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. You know, if you're interested in videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be uploading more videos similar to this. You know, like adding things into the truck or removing it, whatever, stuff like that. Yeah, and thanks for sticking around, and you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you guys next time.